Sangria. If you've ever had sangria, it's usually probably come by the pitcher, so shared by a few friends. What we're gonna do here is show you how to do it by the glass. And you can scale up the proportions accordingly. Sangrias follow some very basic ingredients that need to go in there. So I've got myself a nice big red wine glass. What I'm gonna do is take some fresh fruit. So I end up having some oranges here. I guess my cherries are only semi-fresh, but it'll work for what we're doing right here. Apples would be fantastic too. Let's go and toss them into the bottom of the wine glass and just do some light crushing to release those juices. Add some ice. So ice into the wine glass because we've got a lot of volume there. We're going to take our red wine. You can do red wine, you can do white wine. I'm using red here. We're going to do 3 ounces of red going in there. You think your normal serving of your red or your white wine is like 5 to 6 ounces. We're trying to lighten this up a little bit. So 3 ounces of red wine in there. We're gonna go with ½ an ounce of brandy. So brandy, I've got that on my top shelf here. So we'll go ½ an ounce of my brandy. Brandy's gonna give it a lot more punch. Because if we go and we add in something like a fruit juice, we'll say an orange juice in this case, maybe it's a pineapple, you could go with like a puree. We're gonna go with about 1 ounce of our juice in there. And then we're gonna go and finish it off with, I'm gonna go with 7-Up. 7-Up or a Sprite, which is gonna essentially be soda with some sugar. So you'll find a few different variations where some people are going with simple syrup. Some are going with maple syrup instead, maybe agave syrup if they're really wanting to get creative. But there is your sangria. We're talking red wine or white wine. Let's go 3 ounces, ½ an ounce of brandy. Make sure you put your fruit in there. We'll go with 1 ounce of our ounce of a fruit juice, and then top it off with sparkling. Sparkling, if you put some sweetness in there, or 7-Up or Sprite. So something clear. There you go.
Start Bartending is an online course covering everything you need to know to confidently begin as a bartender. We will teach you how to make more money by making your customers happy with premium cocktails, efficient drink building techniques, and product knowledge. Go to startbartending.com to sign up for the course that can change your career and create new opportunities for you.